Hello guys, this video is all about Logitech G Hub struck during installation. I wanted to download the software for my G102 mouse. When I was downloading this software, I got stuck on a page. Let me show you. When I click on this install button, it did work and everything seems good. But here on this screen, it stopped and got stuck. I tried to find solution for this particular issue on whole YouTube, but no help. I found nothing to fix this issue. So then also I also went through Logitech website, and there they have mentioned that I have to delete old files to make it work. I did try that, but again no help. When I was playing game on my PC, it wasn't connecting to internet. Then I figured out that this could be the reason. Let's try to fix this issue. Let's first close this. This isn't working. Okay, let's end the task from task manager. Now let's go to C drive, program data folder. Let me show you again here. Let's go to C drive, program data folder, click on Logitech folder. Let's try to delete this. I'll do delete shift delete. Click on continue. Let's try to install this again. If I go to my downloads, here it is. Let's try to install now. Install now. Okay, look at here, it's getting downloaded fastly. Oh, we can ignore this for now as I have just installed my system. Let's wait for a few more seconds. Allow access. Look, the issue got resolved. We are able to install the Logitech. I hope this is helpful to you guys. If you want such videos, please do subscribe to Holy Beast channel and turn on the bell icon. If I get this kind of issues, which I get very frequently, I'll definitely post the videos which will helpful to you also. Thank you guys. Please do take care. Bye bye. Have a good one.